You see, for this life, not every queen wears crown. Some wear dust and wrinkles, and they walk with slow power. Her name was Echo, an elephant mama from the heart of Africa. They land under Mount Kilimanjaro. Echo was not just any elephant. She was the one they had looked up to. If Echo moved, the others followed. If Echo stopped, they stopped too. They say when a wise woman walks, even the wind waits to hear her footsteps. Echo knew the land like a song. She knew where water hides when the sun burns the earth. She knew which tree gives shade when the baby calves cry. And when danger came, her eyes would speak before her mouth. One time, she gave birth to a baby called Ili. But Ili came weak. His legs refused to walk. In the wild, weakness is death. But Echo, she said no. She stood by that child day and night. She wrapped her trunk around him like prayer. When others moved fast, she moved slow. When hunger came, she still stayed. They say, a mother is a road that never closes. That was Echo. And little by little, Ili stood and walked. Years passed. The herd grew. People began to know Echo. Scientists, filmmakers, even tourists too. They all came to Amboseli just to see her wisdom in motion. She led her family through drought, through hunger, through men with spears. She taught her daughters how to find food even in dry wind. When Ili grew older, he was hurt by a spear. The people came again, this time to help. They brought medicine and courage. Echo and her heart didn't understand, but they waited. They watched with hearts trembling. And by grace, Ili lived. That day, the world saw elephants love deep. They protect like soldiers, and they mourn like mothers. There was a day the wind carried the sound of danger. A pack of hyenas, hungry and desperate, crept close to Echo's herd. Their laughter filled the dry air like spirits mocking the living. But Echo, wise old mother of the plains, had seen many moons and knew what to do. She trumpeted once, loud and sharp, and her herd formed a circle. The little ones pushed to the middle. The ground trembled as they stamped, dust rising like a storm of warning. The hyenas lunged, but met walls of tusk and courage. Under Echo's watch, no calf was taken that day. They say an elephant never forgets, but that day, even the hyenas learned, never test a family led by Echo. Echo lived a long life, more than 60 years. She saw generations grow under her. But when the drought came again, and her bones became tired, she lay down one evening in 2009, and never stood again. They found her body lying gentle on the soil she had ruled, and her daughter stood beside her for days. They touched her with their trunks, as if saying, "Thank you, Mama. We will carry your footsteps." They say when an elephant dies, the ground remembers. Even the wind slows down for a while. Echo may be gone, but her family still walks the path she made. Her story still moves with the dust of Amboseli, and her name still sounds like thunder after rain. So when next you see elephant on your screen or on your journey, remember Echo, the mother who refused to leave her child, the queen who led with heart, not horn. She taught us one simple truth: wisdom doesn't shout, it whispers and still leads the way. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Wildlife Adventure Files, where every creature has a story, and every legend comes to life.